Go, Santi, go! Go, Santi, go! Go! Santi, you look at Mama? Hi! You're not very good at steering yet. Huh? Freddie flips it over and plays with the wheels. Huh, because that seems to be your favorite thing. Huh? Where are you going? You trying to climb up on the couch? I don't think that's probably a very good idea. Are you coming closer? Don't say. Here, Mama help you. Okay, you do it. Just gonna play for a little bit. Hi. San Cinco. Hi, baby. What's it doing? San Cinco is very intently working. Huh. Okay, well, that's kind of how it works.